So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a shop on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on your TikTok app. After going to TikTok, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile in the bottom right corner. After going to profile, you have to click on a three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this option. After clicking on this, you can see a bunch of options here. What you need to do, you have to click on a option called business suite. You have to go back and you have to click on an option for TikTok Studio, just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after landing on TikTok Studio, what you need to do, you have to click on TikTok Shop for Creator. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you can see here is a option called feature for your favorite products with TikTok Shop. So to create a shop, you must have be at least 18 years old and you have to have 5000 followers, over 5000 followers to create a shop. So make sure you have 5000 followers and you are 18 years old, then you can create a shop on TikTok. So this is how you can create a shop on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.